Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this shaker bridge card with the Joyful Flurry bundle. Here is my shaker bridge card. I decided to combine a shaker card with a bridge card, so I just added the shaker back here, and it still folds flat for mailing, so this is a really fun card to create, and you can use any stamp set to create a card like this. I love the slopes, and one of the slopes that we have is from the tulip dies. And so basically what I do is cut out whatever size I need. So this is 5.5 by 2. And then I use this die to cut it out. And then I trim off all of the extra flowers. Next, I have a piece of 8 by 4.25 cardstock, and I'm going to score that. I'm going to score at 1.25 and 2.5 from both sides. So 1.25 and 2.5. It's just easier to remember 2 numbers instead of 4. So I'm just going to, let's see, fold this in this way and then out this way, and same thing on the other side. And then I have some of the Gnome Designer Series paper to add to the card, as well as another piece of Pacific Point, and then a piece that matches pretty exactly. And this piece measures 2 3/4. So I did 2 3/4 by 4, so there's a little bit of a border. And I'm just going to attach the paper around the perimeter. Just going to add some adhesive around the perimeter. And this is just going to give me a more stable front for my shaker card. I have a window sheet that's cut out about 1/8 of an inch smaller on all sides. And I'm going to use this little window die here from the Painted Labels dies. And it's going to create my little shaker window here. All right, so now I'm just going to add adhesive all the way around. And then I'm going to put my window sheet on. I stamped some of the snowflakes in the background here. Okay, now my favorite part, I'm going to add some of the Sparkle and Shine sequins, just here in the middle. Okay, and I'm going to try and push them towards the middle because I'm going to put the top on the sides. They get pretty sticky, staticky. And then just remove the backing from off all the pieces. And then we're just going to clean, or just put some cornstarch here a little bit. And then I'm just gonna clean the inside of this. And we'll try to put this straight down and seal everything really well. And there's the shaker part of the card. Super fun. Okay, so now we're gonna add our snow piece. So I'm just going to put some adhesive over on this left panel right here and line this up with the left panel. And then I'm going to fold this in and put some adhesive on the right panel. And so that's our bridge part. So now we get to add some of these fun snowflake pieces that I cut from the glimmer paper and from the Pacific Point paper. So I'm gonna add this large one up here, and then we'll do a small one. We can do another large one inside here. Just make sure it's away from the edge so that it'll fold. And then let's get some of these small ones. So we'll do small one over here, and then we'll add another small one up top over here. And then I'm going to stamp the sentiment, and I will add a large Pacific Point and another small one. So I'm going to stamp the sentiment in Pacific Point. And I'm going to use this die, this label die right here, to cut it out. And then we'll just add this on with some dimensionals. Then we'll add our snowflake like this. And we'll do a small snowflake. Now I'm going to use some of the Fine Sparkle adhesive backed gems on the middle of the snowflakes. So I'm going to add the large ones to the large snowflakes. And then these small ones to the smaller snowflakes. And there is my shaker bridge card. So I'm offering a free card class when you purchase the bundle and use my current host code or place a $50 order using my current host code. You'll get supplies for 6 cards, 2 of each of these 3 designs. Just email me after you place your order and let me know that you would like this card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching my video tutorial on this card using the Joyful Flurry bundle. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video and leave me a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. See you next time. Bye.